Guys, welcome to A to Z Guru. So this is part 5 of Jquery tutorial. So today I will explain you toggle method in Jquery. So in this video I will complete toggle method and I will include last video also hide and show for give example. So this is the theory about toggle like what toggle is doing. Toggle will hide and show the selected element, which means like here I written program. So see, we have one paragraph. So if I click toggle, then it's going to hide, and by same button we can show also. So it is slow. Why it's slow? I'll explain in programming. So come to the programming section. So see here, first I am taking without millisecond for your better understanding. So see, same hide and show like here we used two method hide and show, and here toggle. So same thing happening. I think no need to explain what is this one and this one. So directly I'm coming to the toggle. So what is happening when I'm clicking this button? So by on click event, it is calling this function. Okay, by clicking that. Why? Because this ID name I given here. So when I will click this, so by this button click event will appear here and it will toggle that particular paragraph. Okay, so here see the output. See if it's showing whenever I am clicking this button, it going to hide, and whenever I am clicking this button, it going to show. So that is the functionality of toggle. So see here, this is a ID which I took. Actually, I forgot to explain this one, which I'll explain now. So see, I'll give you example. Suppose I have paragraph, only paragraph. Suppose I have a paragraph. Here, if you will pass that paragraph, then what should happen? It should toggle paragraph, not a particular paragraph. Why? Because we are not mentioning here ID or a class. Okay, so come to the output. See, if suppose I am taking two paragraph here. Here you can give anything like test paragraph, okay, and ID, this I am giving para 1. So what will happen? Since I am taking P, so it will include all paragraph which exists in this web page. So see that. See, both paragraph going to toggle. So what is the solution? If suppose I am giving here I am giving id para 1. So now it will toggle this one only, para 1 id element. Okay, so same you can do this also. So by class also, class name also you can do that, like I'm giving class name abc. So if how you will include class dot class name. So see what should happen, it should toggle this paragraph. Come to the output. See, that's fine, means working. So same thing you can do with hide and show also. I'll give one example. Since it is similar to toggle, you can do same work here also. So see, I am taking particular P paragraph. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here it is. So see, two paragraph came. So if I will hide, both is going to hide. If I am showing, both is showing. So I hope guys you cleared with hide, show with toggle. So guys, if you have any doubt, please write in comment section, and you if you want to give any suggestion, please comment and share this video. Subscribe my channel by which you can get notification, and if you like this video, like it. Thanks guys.